everyone, Trent Nash here with Skyway Classics Dallas. Today we are in a gorgeous 1967 Chevy Chevelle. This thing's got an LS swap in it, handles extremely good, goes fast when you want it to, brakes awesomely. Let me get around on this stop sign right here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Give it a little rib for you guys. She's fast. And braking, stays straight, brakes really good. This thing is fantastic to drive and it's so much fun to drive, and it has a gorgeous color on it. This car is so much fun. But once again, here at Skyway Classics Dallas, 1967 Chevy Chevelle, come check it out.